Hello student, how are you? Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is The Fish Tale for the class 5th. So let's we start. Before starting, we will discuss some key point which is speed, loan, interest, principal amount, ascending and descending order, numeral system. In this numeral system, we will discuss two type of numeral system. First is Indian numeral system and second is international numeral system. So first of all, we will start what is speed. The distance covered by an object in a unit of time is called the speed of the object. Suppose this car runs very fast compared to this car. So we can say the speed of this car is higher than this car. So what is speed? The distance covered by an object. Here object is car. So the distance covered by an object or distance covered by a car in a unit of time. Unit of time. What is unit of time? Unit of time means 1 hour or 1 minute, or you can say 1 second. 1 second. Okay. So speed of unit time. Unit time means 1 hour, 1 minute, or 1 second. So here, what is speed? Suppose one car cover 20 kilometer of distance in 5 hour. So here distance covered is 20 kilometer and the time taken is 5 hour. So in this formula we will find the speed of this car. So the formula of the speed is equal to distance covered upon time taken. Okay, distance covered by time taken. Here in the next slide, one problem is for you. Uh, let's try to find. Here is given a car runs 20 kilometer in 5 hours. So the 20 kilometer is distance covered by a car and 5 hour is the time taken by a car. So here two things are given. So we have to find speed of the car. So first we will write the formula of the speed. So what is the formula of the speed? The speed is equal to what? Distance covered and time taken, d by t. Suppose. So here in this part where d is written, we write 20 kilometer. Okay, 20 kilometer. Here and in this part where t is written, we have to write 5 hours. 5 h for hours. So After the minimize, 5 4 ja 20. After the minimize, what we will get? We will get 4. 4, and here is kilometer, so we will write here km, kilometer, and here is by, so we write here per, or h means r. So what is the speed of the car? 4 kilometer per hour. 4 kilometer per hour is the speed of the car. Okay, so now next slide. The second question is, a person crosses a 600-meter long road. So here 600-meter is distance, and in 10 minutes, so 10 minutes is time taken. So what is his speed? So here we will find what is the speed of that person. So the formula of the speed is S is equal to, what is S is equal to D for distance covered and T for time taken. So S equal to D by T, and here D is 600, and time is 10 minute, 10 minute. And this is 600 meter. So after minimize, what we will get? We cut 0 to this 0, and we will find 60 meter per minute. So this is the answer. What is the answer? C. C is 60 is the right answer. Okay, let's move to another slide. Here the another concept is loan. So what is loan and where you can get loan? So first of all, we will discuss what is loan. So here written, what is written? A loan is when you receive money, when you receive money from your friend, bank, or other financial institution. For what? In exchange for future repayment. In exchange for future repayment of the principal amount plus interest amount. So what is loan? Loan is the money. Loan is the money. What type of money? If you borrow from your friend, bank, or financial institution in exchange for future repayment of principal amount plus interest amount. So here what is principal amount? The principal amount is the amount you borrowed. Okay, the amount which we borrow is called principal amount. Here is the principal amount, the amount which you borrow, and the interest. So the interest is the amount charged for receiving the loan. Suppose you will receive loan, so the bank or the your friend or financial institution charges some money. Okay, so that money is called what? Called interest. Okay, so the addition of principal amount plus interest together is called loan, which we have to taken. Okay, so what is loan? Loan is the principal amount plus interest. So next slide we will see one problem. What is the problem? Rishi takes a loan of 1000 rupees from a bank. Rishi, who? Rishi. Rishi takes 1000 rupees. How much money? 1000 rupees from a bank for a period of 1 year. For the period of 1 year. After 1 year, he will pay. Okay. The rate of interest is 10%. Here is given 10%. What is 10%? We will discuss later. 10% per annum. Find the interest and the amount he has to pay at the end of the year. After the 1 year, okay, after the 1 year, you find what is the amount that he has to pay. Okay, so here one thing which we will discuss first. Here written the interest of the loan is 10%. So the concept of this percent is new for you, so we will discuss first what is 10%. So 10% means per 100%. Okay, percent means per 100, cent means 100, and per means per. Percent, each, per means each 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees. Each 100 rupees is charged by the bank is rupees 10. Okay, is rupees 10 per 100 rupees, per 100. Here suppose you borrow 200 rupees from a bank. Suppose you borrow 200 rupees of the bank from the bank. Then in a 200, how many 100? In the 200, the 100 is 2 time. 2 time. Okay, 1 time, and second is another 100. Okay, another 100. So suppose interest is 10%. It means for each 100 rupees the bank will charge 10 rupees, and the another 100 it is 10 rupees. So the interest here, this is the chargeable amount is called interest. So 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 is rupees 20. 20 rupees is the interest. Okay, 20 rupees is the interest, and the principal amount is 200 rupees. Okay, so after, suppose you take loan for 1 year, so after completing 1 year, what amount you will pay? You will pay here 200, which is your principal amount, and plus chargeable amount is here 20 rupees. So plus 20 rupees also you have to pay 20 rupees. Okay, so 200 plus 20 is 220. 220. Okay, so you have to pay 220 rupees. Suppose the interest, the rate of interest is given 10%, then okay. So here we will discuss our this question. Okay, so I will a rough here. So you can get what is the interest and what is the principal amount. Okay, so here the question is, what is the question? Okay, so let's try to solve this question. Here the principal amount is 1000 rupees and the interest is 10% per annum for the 1 year. Okay, for the 1 year. So here principal amount is principal amount PA. Okay, principal amount is what? 1000 rupees. Okay, now he has to pay 1000 rupees plus interest. So what is interest amount? IA means interest amount. Okay, so we will find what is interest amount. So see here, in 1000 how many hundred is there? In the 1000, 100 times of 100 times of, okay, 100 times, how many time, suppose 10 time of 100. Okay, how many time? 10 time. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 10 time 100 is for 1000. So here given 10% means each 100 the bank will charge 10 rupees. 10 rupees. So here 100 how many time? 10 times. Okay, so 10 times, then we will find 10 into 10 because 100 is how many time? 10 times. So here is the 10 and one time 10 is charged 10 rupees. So 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, so here interest is 100 rupees. 100 rupees. So what is the loan? What is the amount that receive will pay after 1 year? So we will add these two amount. So what we will get? 1100 rupees. 1100 rupees. Okay, so this is the loan. And now next move, how many types of loan you will get? So first is home renovation loan. Okay, suppose you want to renovate your home or build up new home, then short term personal loan is, then marriage loan, here medical loan also for the medical purpose, here pension loan, vacation loan, and for purchasing vehicle the bank also give a what loan? Auto loan. Okay, now next slide. Here the next point is ascending and descending order. So what is ascending order? Suppose you will start running from this step to this step. Okay, so we can say it is the ascending order. So what is ascending order? Ascending order is the order which is from lower from lower to higher, lower to higher. Okay, if we you move from lower to higher, or lower digits, if you write lower digits or lower number first and then you write the highest number, then we will say it is the ascending order. So what is ascending order? From lower to higher. Here one student is moving from where? Bottom to higher. Okay, so this is the ascending order. This is the ascending order. And what is descending order? What is descending order? If you move from top to bottom, if you move from top, okay, from top to bottom, then we will say this is the descending order. Same way, if you write first a larger number, then after a smaller number, then smaller, and lastly you write the smallest number, then we will say this is the descending order. So see here, one student is here and he want to move from higher to bottom. Okay, from here to here, from here to here, then we will say this is the descending order. This is the descending order. Okay, so one question is here for you. Write the ascending order. You arrange these number in a ascending order. What is ascending order? From lower, from lower to higher. This is the ascending order, from lower to higher. Okay, we have to see here. We will see here the lower. This is the lower, and it is the higher. So if you move from lower to higher, then we will say this is the ascending order. And in numbers, suppose you write first the smallest number, and lastly you write the higher number or greatest number, then it is the ascending order. Okay, so here we have to find the smallest number. First we will see what is smallest number. So here 4-digit number, here also 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number. Okay, so first we will check the first digit. Here 5 is written, here 3 is written, here 5 is written, and here 3 is written. So the smallest is 3 and 3, because in the two place the 3 and 3 is written, है ना? But in these two number, which will be the smallest? So we move to next digit. Here 9 is written, here 7 is written. So Which number is smallest? 9 or 7? 7. So this full number, this number is the smallest number. So we will write here 3, 7, 9 and 3. Okay. Then we choose the another getter number from that. This is the 3, 9, okay, 4 and 6. Now two number here we see 5,936 and 5,890 875. So in these two number, which number is smaller? So 5 is here also, 5 is here also. So and the next digit 9 is here and 8 is here. So this number is the smaller. So 5, 8, 7 and 5. And lastly, the higher number or biggest number is 5, 9, 3, 6. 5, 9, 3, 6. Now move to next slide. Okay. Arrange in the descending order. So start descending. Descending means from higher to lower number. Okay, higher number to lower number. Higher number to lower number. It is called the descending order. So we will find here which number is the greatest number. So see, this is the 5-digit number, this 4-digit number, this 5-digit number, this 5-digit number. Okay, so 4-digit number is the smaller. Okay, so this number is the what? Smaller number, smallest number. This is the smallest number because this is the 4-digit number and other numbers are 5-digit number. So you can write here lastly the smallest number. The smallest number is 54653. Why we will write here first? Because all other numbers having 5-digit. How many digit? 5-digit. And this number having only 4-digit. So this 4-digit number is the smallest number. Okay, so first we will write here smallest number. Now we will choose what is the greatest number. So here 5-digit number is here, this is 5-digit number or this is 5-digit number. First we will check the first left digit. So here 4 is given, here 5 is given, here 3 is given. So which will the highest number? 5 is the highest number. So this number is the greatest number. Okay, so 5, what is the 5, 8, 7, 3 and 5. Okay, then after this number, which will be the higher, 4,600 or 3,600? Naturally 4,600. So you write here 4, 6, 7, 5 and 3. And the in the third place we will write 3 6 7 9 3. Okay, so in that manner we can solve the problem based on the descending order and ascending order. Now move to next slide. Here is the number system, numeral system. So we will discuss here first Indian place value system or Indian numeral system. So see here, in Indian numeral system there are four periods. So from starting the left side, the first period is ones, second period is thousand, third period is lakhs, and fourth period is crore. In this class we have to study only four period up to crore. Okay, so we will see only the four periods, that is ones, thousand, lakh, and crore. And here, see here, the ones period, there is the three parts. The ones period, one period is divided into three parts. Thousand period is divided two parts, this one and this two part. And lakh period is also divided in two parts, these two parts. And crore period is also divided in two parts, one parts and two parts. So what we have to see here, the ones period is divided into three parts. You have to remember, the ones period is divided into three parts. Thousand period is divided into two parts, lakh period is divided into two parts, and crore period is divided into two parts. So we know the what are the name. From starting from the right side, the first part is ones, then second part is 10, and third part is 100. This is called the place. Okay, what is place? This is, so ones place, 10th place, and 100 place. So ones period is divided into three place, ones place, 10 place, and 100 place. Same, the thousand period, the thousand period is divided into two place. The first is 1000 and the second is 10,000. T for 10, TH for 1000. So 1000 and 10,000. Same, lakh period. Lakh period is divided into two place. First is 1 lakh, second is 10 lakh. Same, crore period is divided into two place. First is 1 crore place and second is 10 crore place. Okay, so now we have to uh, memorize. We have to find first ones period, thousand periods, lakh period, and crore periods. The ones period is divided into three place, ones, 10, and 100. Okay, ones, 10, and 100. Same, thousand period is divided two place, thousand place, 10,000 place. Lakh period is divided into two place, 1,000 place, 1 lakh place and 10 lakh place. And lastly, crore period is divided into two place, 1 crore and 10 crore. Okay, so this is the Indian numeral system. After that, we will see international numeral system. This is the Indian place value chart. Here we see what is this Indian place value chart. Okay, Indian place value chart. So as we discussed earlier, the ones period here, ones period is divided into three place, ones place, 10th place and 100th place. Same, the thousand period is divided into two place, thousands place, 1,000 place and 10,000 place. Same, lakh period is divided into two place. First is lakh period and second is 10 lakhs period. And crore period is also divided into two parts. The first is 1 crore place and the second is 10 crore place. Okay, so here move to next slide. Here is given international numeral system. International numeral system. So we see what is the place value chart for the international numeral system. Here periods is ones periods, thousand periods, million periods, and after the million one period we have to study billion period. Okay, billion also here, billion period. So ones period, thousand periods, millions period and billions period. Say here in the ones period is divided into three place, ones place, 10th place and 100th place. Same, thousand periods is divided into three periods. How many period? How many place? Three place. Thousand periods is divided into three places. First is thousand place. Second is 10,000 place. Third is 100 place. And the million period is divided into three places. First is 1 million place, 10 million place and 100 million place. And same period is also divided into three places, 1 billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Okay, so here you understood what are the numeral system and what is the Indian numeral system and what is the international numeral system.